A few days ago, I saw someone playing a random mobile game where one had to unpark cars that were already parked. And a few moments ago, I found a code online which generated a 5 by 5 matrix with random numbers. If you don't know, a matrix is a set of numbers arranged in the form of rows and columns. So a 5 by 5 matrix will have 5 rows and 5 columns. Each one of them will contain a number. And this gave me an idea to create a random parking log generator. At first, I was going to use Java to create this, but after completing the project I realized that it wasn't so good looking. So I decided to switch over to HTML5 and JavaScript. Well then, I created an HTML page which was blank and rewrote the same program in JavaScript. I've used a 6 by 6 matrix for this, and here, 1 is basically the wall, the full stop will be the car, which will be facing in a random direction. Then I have this loop which fills in the cars in a random direction. And then I've added these zeros which represent the spaces from where the cars would have gotten in. So now I have a base, and now we just need to visualize everything. After spending an hour, this is what I had. This is a prototype version of what I mean to create. These are just buttons containing the square emoji that you have in your keyboard. So the black ones are the walls, the white or the grey ones are the free spaces, and the yellow squares are just the cars. But it was still too flat. So I went on to Google Chrome and downloaded some free assets. These are a few cars that I got. Later, I also found this good sprite sheet, and this had the divider that I needed for my parking. Soon, I started working on the visuals. And about an hour later, I was all done. So, this is what it finally looks like. Besides, I added a park button and an unpark button. And this allows you to park cars up till infinity, or as long as your monitor screen can handle it. Thank you for watching. You can find the source code of this program in the link in the description. And if you ever wish to visit it, then you can just go on to my Heyy page and see for the project.